In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tag in Mailchimp. Tags are simple labels you add to contacts so you can group people and target them more precisely. Think of them like color-coded stickers in a notebook, quick to apply, easy to filter, and perfect for organizing who gets which message. Unlike segments, which update based on rules, tags are manually assigned or applied by your automations and stay put until you change them. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Mailchimp account. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand navigation panel. That sidebar is your control center. Find and select audience. This is where all of your contacts live, and it's the place where tags are created and managed. Inside the audience area, choose tags. This opens the dedicated page that lists any tags you've already set up. Now move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button to create new tag. Click it to open the tag creation panel. In the name field, type the tag you want to use. Keep names short, specific, and consistent so they're easy to scan later. Things like new subscriber, webinar registered, or VIP. If your team uses prefixes or dates, stick with that pattern. Good naming today saves time when you're building campaigns and segments down the road. When you're happy with the name, click Create to save your new tag. If a confirmation dialog appears, click Create again to finalize. Your tag will now appear in the list on the tags page. That's your visual confirmation that everything worked. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you manage more than one audience, double check the audience selector before creating a tag. Tags live within the audience you're viewing. If you don't see the left sidebar, try expanding it or widening your browser window. And if the create button is disabled, make sure the name field isn't empty or using a name that already exists. With your tag created, you're ready to use it whenever you manage contacts or build targeted campaigns. Tags keep your messaging relevant and your workflow clean, so investing a few seconds in clear names will pay off every time you filter, segment, or report. That's it. You've successfully created a tag in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough while you work in your own account.